Ever feel like your trusted techniques just aren't hitting the mark anymore? Well, you're not alone.
It's so frustrating, right? The symptoms look familiar, but the old fixes, they just don't stick.
So what gives? Well, the game has changed. The source of their pain is different now.
We've gone from mostly physical strains to issues rooted in our modern, stressed out world.
So that back pain, it might look the same, but its root cause is totally different.
The real issue is often a dysregulated nervous system. Think of it like a stuck alarm.
And that's exactly why just focusing on the mechanics isn't enough anymore. We need a new tool. Okay, so what's the solution? We need an approach that's built for today's patient. And listen, this isn't about throwing out what you know. It's about adding a powerful new layer. The secret is to restore that autonomic balance first. That creates the foundation for real healing. Bottom line, you can't have true healing until that internal alarm system finally quiets down. Okay, but does this stuff actually work? Let's hear directly from your peers. This isn't just theory. Dr. Jadov talks about gaining practical skills he could use right away.
And it's not just what you learn, but how. A supportive environment makes a huge difference.
But let's talk about the numbers. The impact on patient outcomes, it's pretty incredible. Get this, Dr. Sahu is now closing almost 90% of his cases with positive outcomes. And it's a game changer for the therapist too. This can transform your whole practice. And look, this trend is only accelerating. This isn't the future, it's the now. So who developed this? Tom Myers, an osteopath who's been a pioneer in this for over 20 years. Which really brings us to the big question. Are you ready to meet this new challenge? Click the link to get notified about upcoming courses. It's time to evolve your practice.